another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, MCRT. If you're watching these videos, you're new to crypto, pay attention to crypto. The time that everyone wants to buy is always at 69,000, like at the peak, right? Everyone then's talking about Bitcoin, wants to buy it. But the time to be buying is when it's low, down here, in my opinion. Pay attention to play to earn games. Pay attention to crypto. Why? Because when you enter the stock market, when you buy stocks that IPO, you're buying stocks that already have a valuation in the 1 billion plus range. Or 100 billion, sorry. For example, when they IPO, a lot of companies are already in the billions to $100 billion plus range. That's the first time you can invest in it as the public, unless you're a big firm or a big bank. But with crypto, you can get into projects at the beginning stages of it, and you can make that money when it goes into the billions of dollar valuation. That's why crypto is so powerful. So if you're like still skeptical about crypto, buy a little bit of Bitcoin, send it to someone, start learning about crypto, and it will change your life. The most billionaires now come from the crypto industry. In this video, we're going to look at Bitcoin technical analysis to see what's going to happen. I'm going to show you MCRT, my project. I'm the founder of this play to earn game. The play to earn game space is a $300 billion a year industry. The gaming space, 3 billion players around the world. So this is going to be one of the biggest industries in the world. And you have a chance to get into these projects at the early stages. I'm going to show you some information about mine, one of the top ranking metaverse games now. Our goal is to compete with Facebook, which has, right now, Facebook is a $500 billion company. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. Again, the time to be buying Bitcoin is down here. You have to always do your own due diligence, but this is in my opinions. So everyone wants to buy Bitcoin. So you're looking at the charts of Bitcoin. This was in November 2021 when Bitcoin reached 69K, right? And everyone, including your family, your friends, all wanted to buy Bitcoin. But the actual time to be buying Bitcoin is down here at the 20K, right? Everyone wants to buy it up here because they usually make the mistake of buying high and selling low. You want to be smart. You want to make the right decisions of selling high and buying low, right? At the 20K. This is, again, my opinion, but it can go lower. There is a possibility Bitcoin goes lower, but again, you want to start buying low and you want to sell high. So the time to start buying is down here. Right down at these lows. The time to sell is up here. Don't make the mistake of doing it the other way around like majority of the world. Stochastic, which indicates when a project is overbought or oversold, a stock, a cryptocurrency, a commodity. When they're below the dotted lines, it's oversold, time to be buying. Above the dotted lines, overbought, time to be selling. So on the weekly, it's oversold right now. On the daily, we're oversold as well. Time to be buying. We got a few bounces. We got a tweezer here. This is these candlestick patterns. These are called Japanese candlesticks. They made a tweezer pattern, 2 big spikes down and pushes up. So that's a tweezer pattern. That's a good sign. On the daily, oversold. On the 4-hourly, slightly overbought. We're having a pullback today. We went from 21,600 to 21,300 at the moment, but look at these big wicks down. These are hammer candles. They come down but pushes up, comes down but gets pushed back up. So that's a good sign for Bitcoin. A lot of volume. I would be buying here at this point, and this is the trade that I would take. And you can take this is the time to be going for big trades on Bitcoin, in my opinion. You can see here that we can open a trade. You can do it on Bybit, Binance. You can buy Bitcoin. You can open a trade here where if you open a trade on Bitcoin, 21,294, the stop loss can be very low because we've got a lot of, it's very little risk at the bottom. And the take profit can be massive all the way back up the top at 75,000. So you're risking $600 to make $54,000. What would you want to, for example, if I asked you this question, would you want to risk $600 with a high probability that you can make $54,000? If I gave you this option, you give me $600 and you have a possibility of making $54,000, a high possibility. Bitcoin isn't going away anywhere. It's a revolutionary technology that's going to change the entire world. Everyone's been saying that Bitcoin's going to be a scam and go away since 2009. Now it's 2022, Bitcoin is the future currency of the world, and it's now valued in the $20,000 range. It used to be $1. It used to be even a few cents when everyone was calling it a scam. Don't fall for that. It's a new technology. Blockchain and cryptocurrency is here to stay. The entire world is talking about it. Governments are talking about it. All services, just like the internet. They said the internet was a scam. it's going to change the world, cryptocurrency. It's as big as the internet. So start paying attention to crypto, to Bitcoin, and to play to earn games. That's also revolutionary. So that's what's happening on Bitcoin. Now let's go into the charts for, I'm going to talk about Magicraft. So MCRT, you can buy MCRT, here. MCRT is found on CoinMarketCap. So you can see here on CoinMarketCap, MCRT is current. This is the play to earn game that I'm the founder of. It's down 15% today. Again, people want to buy when it's high, not when it's low. It's only ranked 563 out of the hundred or tens of thousands of cryptocurrencies. It's ranked 563, but it's not in the top 100 yet, which has billions of dollar valuations. You can find it. We are now on Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and Phantom Chain. It's CertiK audited. CertiK Audit is the biggest auditing company in the world. Market cap 23 million, volume 2.1 million. And we had a big pullback today, around 15% pullback, with Bitcoin and the entire markets pulling back. But on the 7-day charts, you can see here, still holding quite strong, still up more than 100%. On the monthly charts, almost up 1,000%. We went from 0.0016 to now 0.015. So it's up more than 10 times. That's the so if you put, that's the equivalent of Bitcoin going from $20,000 to $200,000. So if you put, when I told you guys 1 month ago, if you put $1,000, you would now have $10,000. If you put $100,000, you would now have $1 million. Again, pay attention to MCRT. We are just beginning. We're just releasing the beta versions. Just the first playable MVP, first minimum viable product, and already the world is going crazy. We ranked the #1 metaverse project on multiple places. So pay attention. We're building an epic game. It's in closed beta. To go in the public beta of this game, you need to either have 1 million MCRT or 1 Genesis NFT. 1 million MCRT now is worth $15,000. Last month it was $1,500. The Genesis NFTs are 0.75 BNB, which is around $250. Pay attention to this. You're still quite early. To put it in perspective, Axie Infinity has a $1.5 billion market cap. MCRT, the #1 play to earn, Axie Infinity, has 1.5 billion. We're 23 million. So to get to that $1.5 billion valuation, it's almost a 75-time movement from where we are. And that's why you want to pay attention to Magicraft, because the rank is 563, where if you put it in comparison, for example, the top coins that everyone always talks about and wants to buy, their market cap: Bitcoin 408 billion, Ethereum 199 billion, BNB 47 billion, Cardano 15 billion, Solana 12 billion, Dogecoin 9 billion, Polkadot 8 billion, Shiba Inu 7 billion. So everyone's buying these coins that are already valued in the billions, where we're still 23 million. So again, pay attention to MCRT. You can get MCRT from any country in the world, from PancakeSwap.finance, and there's also multiple exchanges. For example, one Ethereum gets you around, on PancakeSwap, one Ethereum gets you now 107,000 MCRT, or USDT, which is the stable coin USDT. You can just Google YouTube how to get USDT. 100 USDT gives you 6,600 MCRT. So $100 gets you 6,600 MCRT. $1,000 gives you almost 66,000 MCRT. So pay attention to MCRT. And you can also stake on app.magicraft.io. Right now there's 428 million tokens staked, 29% APR. I'm going to show you some. This is Magicraft on Twitter. Oops. Let's go to MCRT Magicraft on Twitter. Now 95,000 people following on Twitter. This is the play to earn game. This is the PC footage, in-game footage of PC and Android and iOS. And we're already in closed beta internally in the team. We're now ranked the #1 play to earn game, the metaverse game, top 30 metaverse game. We came first out of all these metaverse projects, including Avogotchi with $62 million market cap, Gamium $12 million market cap, Atari Token. We're coming first now Magicraft, which is awesome, in the top 30 metaverse projects, which is beautiful news. It's a really good ranking. I can't get out of it. Here we go. And also I'm going to show you, so that's one news. Magicraft builds, this is our team internally testing the game.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Nice.
Yes.
Guys, cover me.
Kill Master,
Kill Master, yes.
Kill Hokuta.
So everyone internally playing the game. Super fun game to be playing. What else? Other news? Magicraft now on Radium protocol on Solana. You can trade it on Radium now. which is beautiful. MCRT top performing in the 30 days. We're coming second now, which is beautiful. And these are just the coin of the day. We got ranked from Crypto Insights, which is beautiful. These are just on Phantom Chain. We're also located on Phantom Chain, multiple things, which is beautiful. Also, if you want to trade cryptocurrencies, you can buy MCRT on these exchanges: Bitmart, PancakeSwap, MEXC. And also, if you sign up to Bybit, you get a $4,450 bonus to trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. This is some information. This is me and Dr. Javan trading on the play to earn game. Panic selling, hodl, me. Dude, you're the only one on YouTube I've consistently followed for 1.5 years now. Don't think I've missed one video. You're making me rich, man. I love it. You're welcome. Doing my own thing now, but still listen to you every day. I really have a big appreciation for the time you put into this, which is beautiful. Great video, James. Always be happy to hear your TM. Glad you're sharing with us your priceless time. Keep it up. Thank you. You're the best crypto influencer I've seen. Thanks for always updating us. Really big help to me. James, I took your advice and gave 10% to someone who felt amazing. Yeah, this is something that I recommend. If you make money, whatever it is, if you made $100 today, give $10 to charity, 10%, and you'll start to see what you give gets back multiple fold. So that's what's happening in the crypto space. And don't forget, if you comment on every video, this is I don't know, it's blurry. Here we go. Shafran, thank you, James. Never miss your videos. Bless you. My team picked him for $200. So make sure you're commenting on every video. You get chosen for $200. And these are some of the gains that my students are making in my Telegram group. 104% profit on shorting Bitcoin, 113% profit on this trade, 118% profit on Solana, 134% on Solana. These are real gains that students are having, which is beautiful. So thank you for watching, everyone. Pay attention to crypto, pay attention to Bitcoin, pay attention to MCRT. You have to do your own due diligence. It's not financial advice, but if you're buying stocks and they already have billions of dollars, hundreds of billions of dollars valuation, look into crypto, because you can get at things like, for example, MagicCraft at a $23 million valuation. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. This is James from Crypto Guru, and make sure you watch through to the end. If you comment down below that you watched through to the end, I'm going to give one winner $200. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.